grupo na nagsasoccer camps?
So far, since we launched, full blast pala tayo sa digital and online promotion, but nasa pipeline po ito na pero meron na pong ibang na-interesado din. Like for example, yung mga partners natin sa Mindanao, when we had our meeting last month in Marawi, we mentioned Homeport as well. And isa lang yung reaction nila, uy, ang ganda yan. So we've gone through it, we browsed the videos, and then we need to do a follow-through kung paano yung program for it. But yes, we are receiving interests already on how we can partner and collaborate for Homeport.
Gaano pa kalaki yung vision ng Milo for this particular project?
So for this year, we launched basketball, but as I mentioned, next year we're planning to even expand to more sports.
Go.
Explosion.
Yes.
Milo creativity.
So going back, so we were really looking to expand the volleyball and possibly running in 2027. Pero for this year, we're looking to expand muna as much as we can in the sport of basketball. Then to Carlos' point also, they're already interested in youth, and we've had discussions with them on possibly how we can integrate them into back to school and the other school programs now they currently have sa PE.
Right. And to add to that, speaking of partnerships, I mentioned earlier that part of Milo Active Pilipinas is yung Milo Barangay Liga. Diba? We support their basketball league. So what we do to expand also is that we leave the QR codes or we promote yung Milo Homeport doon sa ating mga barangay liga. So yun, para nakikita na, may scientific way pa rin pala sila, alam natin maglaro ng basketball ng mga Pilipino Now, giving them another form and specifically na kapag scientific yung nagiging approach, mas nagiging excited sila at nakita nila na pwede pa pala mag-improve. And even more so, yung mga parents or mga kids na nakakita ng Homeport sa ating mga barangay liga, na mas na-enjoy nila yung sport because meron na nga siyang element na you can play, learn, and be a champion even if it's online.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.